Friday, March 22, 2019. This is Mercedes Diesel Guy, and this is my 1998 Volvo S70 base model project car. So, last night I did not get as much time out here as I would have liked, only about an hour, but it was a productive hour. So it's not that late tonight. I got out here last night at like 11:45, and it's 8:15 right now. That being the case, I do want to hit the junkyard first thing in the morning, so I don't want to be out here late. For me right now, the goal is to finish up the interior. Now that is fixing the underdash panel, which should just take a few minutes. Floor mats, wiping down the hard surfaces, and cleaning the inside of the windshield. And then I'll need to get the junk off the top of the car, take it off the jack stands, put it on the ground, torque the wheel bolts, and I really think that's about it. So that's the goal for tonight, but I'm planning to work no longer than an hour and a half. So I'm going to get started, and I'll let you know what I have done at the end of the evening. Okay, I haven't gotten taller. The car is actually sitting back on its wheels now, and I'm very close to calling it a night. Yeah, I got the interior cleaned out. I got everything off of the car. Got all the windows cleaned. That took a while. Let's see. I got the car off the jack stands, back onto the wheels. I do need to torque down the wheel bolts right now, and it's actually past midnight, so it's Saturday morning. I think I'm still just going to move some cars around and put this one in the driveway so I can aim the headlights against the garage door, and then I may even just take it for a quick spin around the neighborhood still tonight. So I'm going to take care of what I'm going to take care of, and that'll be that. So this is a Mercedes Diesel Guy. Thanks for watching, and this won't be the last video in this series on this car. I mean, I haven't even given you a decent walk around, but at least it'll be a lot cleaner when I finally do. So stay tuned for just a little more on this project. Thanks.